The 2022 Toyota Corolla key fob battery typically needs replacing every 1 to 2 years. This fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. To open the fob, locate the small notch or seam on the edge. Gently pry it open using a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Some models might have hidden screws that need removal first. Once open, identify the CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up with the positive plus side. Recent Toyota fobs have improved waterproofing and smart key integration, which optimizes battery life, while aftermarket options may offer low battery LED indicators. Remember, a dealer battery replacement will cost $50 to $100, but you can save cost doing it yourself. With the fob open and battery located, use a pry tool or needle nose pliers to carefully lift the old battery out, avoiding contact with metal parts which could cause corrosion. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, or as indicated inside the fob. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by locking and unlocking doors from a distance. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling facility. Ensure the vehicle is off during the battery replacement process, and avoid accidental locking and wear gloves. A user reported battery failure after 18 months of heavy use, daily remote starts. Replacing the CR2032 resolved the issue, but they noted corrosion on contacts, highlighting the importance of clean tools.